From the Bob Mills Weather Center, meteorologist Cassie Heiter.
Well, today we finally have some changes moving back in. We've got lots of sunshine in the metro, but we're starting to notice those changes moving in the terms of looking at the cloud cover. So we've got the moisture starting to stream in. Let's go ahead and go to links 2. I'm going to show you what's going on. So we've got the drought monitor. It comes out every Thursday. We have seen a massive improvement from this time last week. Last week, we were at 83% of the state was in a drought. This week, we're at 68%. And you're probably thinking, well, why isn't the drought gone? We had several inches of rain. Well, the thing is we still need more rain despite all the rain that we have seen. In fact, the northwest part of the state, technically not in a drought anymore, but we're expecting a whole lot more rain. We're just kind of in that dry category here in the Oklahoma City metro, but we have seen some really big improvements, and we still have more rain on radar. In fact, you're seeing some blue. What's going on out there? Well, we actually have winter storm warnings across Colorado and into New Mexico and also into the Oklahoma Panhandle. Some of this will be making its way into the western Panhandle, even here in Oklahoma. Showers and storms are increasing across the Texas Panhandle, even some severe storms right now in Texas trying to make their way into far southern Oklahoma. But everything in the Panhandle right now, nothing severe. From time to time we get a lightning strike or two, but some heavier rain just south of Canadian Texas, and everything is streaming off to the north and northeast. Some of this will slowly be making its way east across the state later this afternoon and evening. So in the meantime, we have more of a partly cloudy sky. This is our Norman regional camera, but we're a Lucky Star Sky Cam network. We're at 66 degrees. The wind, it's coming out of the east-northeast between about 10 to 50 miles an hour. We're at 61 in Enid, 57 in Sealing, 55 in Weatherford. Notice more cloud cover out there, but to the south and east, we're already at 70 degrees in Byers, 70 in Pauls Valley, 67 right now in Chandler, low to mid 70s across the southeast, but we're right around freezing right now out there in the Panhandle, the far western part of the Panhandle. That's also where we've got that north wind with gusts as high as around 25 to 30. Now, just west of I-35, we are seeing those wind gusts between about 20 to 25. The farther east you go, the wind is a little bit lighter. So here's the big ball of energy we've been talking about for the past few days. It's been a slow mover, but we are now starting to see that progress a little bit more to the east. And over the next 24 hours, we're going to see a lot more rain. So for later this afternoon, eventually those showers and storms will be making its way into western Oklahoma. Will Oklahoma see that this afternoon? I don't think so. I think it actually holds off until late this evening, probably after about 8 or 9 o'clock. Are we expecting any severe weather? I don't think so in Oklahoma City, but in southwest Oklahoma, that will be a low possibility. Overnight tonight into your morning commute, we are expecting scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. This is going to come in several waves. By late tomorrow afternoon and evening, still 100% chance of showers and storms. I think by tomorrow night to Saturday morning, everything moves into far eastern Oklahoma. We're going to clear out here in the metro and lots of sunshine for your Saturday. Today, though, I had to bump up those temperatures. The cloud cover is taking a little bit longer to get here, so upper 60s in Oklahoma City. Still looking at the low 70s in the south and east. It's just going to be a little bit cooler out to the west. So for this afternoon, the rain finally moving into far western Oklahoma, but later this evening, now it's finally making its way to I-35. Again, that's going to be late this evening. The severe threat, I think that's going to stay confined to southwest Oklahoma. Overall, it's going to be a low threat, quarter-size hail, wind gusts of 60. Overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, 100% chance of showers and storms making its way just east of I-35. And then temperatures tonight only dropping down into the low 50s, but we've got low 40s in the north and west. Now, tomorrow afternoon, we're back in the upper 50s in Oklahoma City, the 40s in the northwest, the 30s in the Panhandle, but now we've got low to mid 60s across the far south. So by tomorrow afternoon, again, 100% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then tomorrow evening, most of everything will be along and east of I-35. We're going to be drying out to the west. How much rain are we looking at? It's going to be a healthy rain. I think the farther east you go, we're going to see some lesser amounts, but it's still quite a bit. Anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. The farther west you go, we're going to see a lot more. Now in southwest Oklahoma, we could see locally up to 5 inches of rain. So that could actually end up with a little bit more flooding down that way. Saturday afternoon, though, lots of sun. We're in the low 60s, mid and upper 60s and low 70s across the far south and east. Looking at your 9-day forecast, though, we do have another chance of rain. I think that happens sometime once we get into Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning, and then possibly by the time we get into that following weekend. But, you know, for today, I think we're dry. Rain moves in late tonight. Severe weather not happening for us, though.
Oh, thank goodness. We are going to just enjoy some nice fall weather.